Hi, welcome to YouTube channel. Next question I am going to explain. Fourth one. Every sword is an irrational, but every irrational need not be a sword. Justify your answer. See here, every sword is irrational, but every irrational need not be a sword. Okay, that is for a clear explanation. Here it is. By definition, a sword is an irrational. Yes, irrational root of a rational number. Yes, so now we know that swords are always irrational and they are always roots. Example, square root of 2 is a sword. Okay, 2 is a rational and square root of 2 is irrational. Yes or no? Square root of means this. Square root of 2 it is irrational number. 2 is rational number. Okay. Similarly, cube root of 9 is also sword. 9 is irrational and cube root of 9 is rational. Okay. Now next, every irrational need not be a sword. For this example, root 2 is irrational, but root is not a sword. It is irrational but not a sword. That's what here every irrational need not be a sword. We can conclude that. Next, fifth question. See here. Rationalize the denominators of the following. Denominators are there, no? In these all the bits we should rationalize one by one. See here, first one is given that 1 by 3 plus root 2 into, here directly I am taking a denominator rationalization. This is given question. For that denominator 3 plus root 2 is there. Rationalizing in the sense denominator, that symbol we should take opposite symbol. Numbers are same. Okay, with this we can rationalize it. And 1 into this 3 minus root 2 as it is 3 minus root 2 divided by, here a plus b into a minus b form is there. We can write as a square minus b square. Okay, here I am writing a plus b into a minus b. We can write as a square minus b square. Okay, now 3 minus root 2 divided by 3 square means 9. Root 2 square and root 2 will cancel, so 2 will becomes is equals to 3 minus root 2. 9 minus 2 means 7. Okay, next second bit is given that 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Here with opposite sign we can rationalize it. Now rationalize this given denominator. So minus is there means I took here plus. Okay, so 1 into this number means this number only will come, divided by, here a plus, again same, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Okay, root 7 plus root 6, here square root will cancel, 7 minus, here also same, 7 minus 6, root 7 plus root 6, 7 minus 6 in the sense 1 means that value only will come. Okay, next third one, 1 by root 7 plus here 1 by root 7 is there. With this denominator we should rationalize it. Root 7 by root 7 divided by root 7 into root 7 will becomes. Okay, next fourth one, root 6 divided by root 3 minus root 2. Here root 6 divided by root 3 minus root 2 into, here with this opposite sign we can rationalize it. Now rationalize, better to write the sentence when we are doing. Okay, next root 6 into root 3 plus root 2 divided by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Okay, root 6 into root 3 plus root 6 into root 2 divided by 3 square minus 2 square means 3 minus 2. Now 6 3s are 18, root 18 plus root 12 divided by 3 minus 2 means 1. 9 2s are 18. We can write 18 as 9 2s plus 3 4s are 12. Okay, now root 9 if you take means it will becomes 3 root 2 plus this root 4 if you take outside means 2 root 3 it will becomes. Okay, I hope you understood these all the bits. Okay, next question. See here, next question, what it is there. Seventh question. Sorry, fifth completed. Sixth question. Simplify each of the following by rationalizing the denominator. Here also same. How I did here, same here we have to do. For that I will give explanation. See, exercise 1.4 first bit, that is sixth question. 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. This is the given question. You have to rationalize it. Rationalize the denominator. Here plus is there, with opposite sign we can rationalize it. It is in the form of a minus b into a minus b, a minus b whole square divided by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. That formula if you want you can mention better it is, otherwise you will forget and you may get confused how it came that step. Based on this formula only I wrote. Now here a minus b whole square form you can apply. Okay, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, now see, a square plus b square minus 2ab form you can expand this. A square 6 square means 36 plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, divided by here 36 minus 4 square in the sense 16, square root square will cancel, into 2 it will becomes. Okay, now 36 plus here 4 square means 16, square root and square will cancel, it will becomes to minus 2 6 are 12, 12 4 is 48 root 2 divided by 36 minus 6 2 is 32. Okay, 36 plus 16 7 is, sorry 16, this is 2, look like a 7. Okay, 16 2 is 32 minus 48 root 2 by 36 minus 32 4. Okay, you have to do the addition. You will get 68 minus 48 root 2 divided by 4. Now you can take here 4 common. Okay, if you take 4 common, 4 17 is 68 minus 4 12 is 48 root 2 as it is. By 4 is there, no, you can write 4 here, numerator 4 and denominator 4 we can do cancellation. 17 minus 12 root 2. This is the answer for that. Okay, next second bit, root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 plus root 5. It is given. Now denominator with opposite sign we should take the rationalization. Rationalize denominator. Okay, now a minus b, a minus b. Okay, a minus b into a minus b whole square divided by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Okay, see I wrote here. Now roots a square plus b square minus 2ab divided by a square minus b square means square root cancel, so 7 minus 5. Now here also square root square cancel, 7 plus 5 minus 2, 7 5 is 35 divided by 2, 12 minus 2 root 35 by 2. Now 2 you can take common, 6 minus root 35 by 2, 2 will get cancelled. Here 6 minus root 35 is the answer. Okay, I hope you understood. See once again, check the steps. Okay, next third bit. Third bit is given 1 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Okay, I will explain next video.